Hey there, art friends. Get those pencils ready. We're going to be drawing Squidward today from SpongeBob SquarePants. All right, so to start with, we're going to have a great big old head up here and then a little squiddy body coming down here. So to start with, we're going to go with his nose, which is just going to come out, come down like a letter U, and kind of meet back up here like that. Kind of looks like a little raindrop kind of. Then what we're going to do is we're going to draw a little line up like so, and then we're going to come right here and draw another letter U right here, which is the bottom of his eyeball. Then we're going to draw a line coming across and another line coming across like that. And then we're going to have a line that comes around like so, comes up, comes in, and then this line right here is going to match up like that. And then we're going to have this line coming across. Then we're going to have this line coming down and matching up there. And then we have a few little marks on his eyes. And we have his little Squidward eyeballs. There we go. Then over here, we have the side of his mouth. And then that's going to travel across here. It's going to come around and loop back in like so. Then he's got a little line in there for his mouth. And then from here, this comes up like that. And then we're going to draw this great big Squidward head. Ooh, Squidward, your head is so big. Just like that. Then, you know, we got some hard thinking lines here. Looks pretty good. I think if I did this again, I think I would probably pull this out more like that. Yeah, like that. There we go. And I'll just color this in. No big deal. All right. Then we've got his neck coming down here. And we have a collar, which is going to be a diagonal line with another diagonal line, another diagonal line. And it's going to come back up, and that's one side of his collar. And we're going to continue this line down. Then he's going to have another collar coming out here like so. It's going to drop down like that, and then it's going to drop down and come back up like that. Okay. Then we have his shirt, which is going to just drop down like so. And then we have his arm, which is just going to come out a little bit further, come back down and in. And then we've got his little squid arm. And then this gets in here and comes around and then comes back around like that. And then we'll put a few little things in there. Okay, so then for this arm, we've got the shoulder coming out like that. It's going to come around like so. Then it's going to come back up. Ugh, I shouldn't have had this here. Okay, so we'll erase that when we color. Anyway, then we've got the arms coming out. Then we've got his little squid paw coming in. And then we've got, there we go. So these are thicker than the tops. And then we've got some little suction-y cups there. Then from here, it's going to come down here. And then we're going to come across, and there is his shirt. Then for his Squidward bottom, it's going to come down like so. Come down like so. Then we're going to have a line that comes down. a line that comes down, and it's going to kind of come out a little bit. Then here's the Squidward foot coming out, the little whatever, letter N on it, and then it's going to come back around and back up. Then we've got some little tentacles here. Big line like that for the back, like, because he's, you know, got several little feet coming out. Okay, then for the other side, it's going to come down here and it's going to get kind of skinny like that. And then we're going to have a line like this, an N, and then the N's going to drop down and hook on like that. And then we've got another little tentacle like that. We got some little suctions. There we go. And there is Squidward. We'll put him on the ground here. There he is on the ground. All right, hey, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to Middle School Art Mania. Thanks for joining.